sorry, that's a Brooklyn Bridge. And wait. There's the Brooklyn Bridge and a place called Bridge. Yeah. It's called Bridge. And where is Empire State? Oh, there. Empire State. Beyond that is New Jersey. Okay. Approaching Midtown. And this is Central Park. This is the Upper East Side. Expensive side. And there is the Upper West Side. Okay, and again, this is the Wilkes-Barre Bridge. I haven't had the chance to get a video of the famous Brooklyn Bridge. Oh, there's Riker Island, huh? Yeah. Okay, beyond there, that's Bronx. Yeah, the Bronx. So again, I'm beginning to land at LaGuardia Airport on February 2, Logan in Boston, because I'm going to Boston. But first, I'm videoing my approach to LaGuardia. I'll be back here to New York via JFK in about 6 days. Oh, I think that's JFK Airport. Because JFK is located south of LaGuardia. LaGuardia is located in the northern part of the states. Yeah. So I think that's JFK, okay? Oh, what's this? Is this Yankee Station's video? I think this is Yankee Station. Or maybe not. And there again is Manhattan. Oh, this is Citi Field. Again, view of Manhattan. Yeah, Midtown. After the former Mayor Fiorello LaGuardia, yeah, the memory of the former mayor. This is the view of LaGuardia, and I'll be taxiing to the main air terminal, wherever that is. This fact, this is my first time to land at LaGuardia. Marine Air Terminal. That one, that's a public Marine Air Terminal of LaGuardia Airport.
Delta Shuttle would like to welcome you to New York LaGuardia, where the local time is 4:45 Eastern Time. For continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your indication that it is safe to move about the cabin and collecting belongings you brought on board. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Smoking is not permitted to reach the designated smoking area. Please feel free to use your cellular telephone. All other portable electronic devices must remain off and stowed. If your carry-on bags were taken by an agent or a flight attendant when you boarded, they will be available for pickup at your final destination. For those of you that have connecting flights, your checked baggage will be automatically transferred. Check the monitor inside the terminal for up-to-date connecting gate information. If this is your final destination, you may pick up your checked baggage in the baggage claim. On behalf of your Chicago-based flight crew, we want to thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again on another Delta and Delta Connection flight. Have a nice time in New York or wherever your travels may take you.
It's not a full flight. We're just like unhappy. See? ME. Macho Mike. So the mission. Boston. Okay? I'm now without my stupid friend. Again, Macho Mike. Signing out.